Today, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Office 365 on Windows 11 directly from the official Microsoft website. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. First, open any web browser on your computer, such as Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top, type Download Office 365. Then press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, open the official Microsoft website link. Once the page loads, you'll see the official Microsoft Office download page. Look for the Download Now button on the screen. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down a little and you'll find the option to download for Windows. Click on it, and the Office setup file will immediately start downloading to your computer. You can usually see the download progress at the top right corner of your browser or at the bottom left, depending on which browser you're using. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file directly. The installation process should start automatically. If a user account control message appears asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" Click Yes to continue. Now, the Office installer will begin downloading the necessary files and installing Microsoft Office on your Windows 11 system. You'll see a progress window showing that Office is being installed. Make sure your internet connection stays active during this process. This may take several minutes depending on your internet speed and system performance. Once everything is installed, you'll see a message saying that Office has been successfully installed. Click Close. Now click on the Start menu in Windows 11 and type Word, Excel, or PowerPoint in the search bar. When the app appears in the search results, click on it to open it. And that's it. Microsoft Office 365 is now installed on your Windows 11 computer and ready to use.